When most people go to a beautiful place like Shenandoah County, they probably like to take in the scenery, maybe the history of the area. I thought it'd be a great place to check out a potato chip factory.
Chances are, if you've been in a sandwich shop in or near Virginia, you know the name Route 11 Potato Chips. Its nearby namesake routes in curious visitors and longtime customers.
Hi, welcome to Route 11.
Have you all been here before?
Would you guys like to hear about our cooking process?
In the retail area, anyone can get a peek at how potatoes get made into chips. No pictures, please. But factory tours are not available. It's okay, you're with me. First, the potatoes are peeled, then sliced. 100 pounds are slivered in 42 seconds. They're then fried in expeller-pressed sunflower oil. Newly dried and fried, they then come down this conveyor belt and have to pass a test. Any chips not looking up to snuff are thrown in this bucket and then fed to cows at a local farm. Those deserving take a ride upstairs where they're seasoned, then weighed to fit the size of the bag waiting for them back downstairs, then hand-packed in boxes or bags, many of them loaded onto pallets, destined for our lucky pallets far and wide.
Since they have a number in their name, here's some other numbers for you. Route 11 Potato Chips has been in business for 32 years. They cook 25,000 pounds of potatoes every single day. 1 million of those pounds in a year come from one local grower, and it all contributes to 10 separate varieties.
But which one to take home?
Okay, so it came down to two. I really like the seasonal Yukon Gold, but I think for just an everyday chip, hard to beat the lightly salted.
In Mount Jackson, I'm Dave Parker.